These are the Medium Craft Stax containers from Spellbinders. They come with 4 in a pack. Each one of these has lids to them that attach very securely, and they also have a lip on the top as well as the bottom. So when you stack them together, they're not going to go anywhere. The entire stack is going to move, so you're not going to have things sliding off each other. These are great for coordinating or organizing die cuts during a project and having them in separate containers to make sure that you have different themes or different things all together and easy to access. Because they are open containers without the lid on it, it's very easy to access. But if you want to take your project elsewhere, you can easily do that. These containers are each 4 3/4 by 6.5 inches, and the depth of them is 1 inch with the top and bottom lip, or 1/2 inch on the inside of the container. So you have enough room to put an A2 card base plus the die cuts or whatever you're using to create that card. So it would be a great way to organize different projects, different die cuts, or even just die cuts while you're working on individual projects. They also make a larger one than this. I only have the medium ones because I figured that would be perfect for what I like to use. And I love the fact that you can use them with or without the lids while you're working on your projects.